This one is break number 696. It is 2017 Museum Collection baseball. 20 cards, 4 hits. We have 4 mini boxes in here. It's been a little while since we've done one of these. Alright, 4 mini boxes. 1 hit in each. 5 cards in each. We're just going to go ahead and slice them all. Good luck, everybody. What's going on, Chris? What's up, Marvin? What's up, Chris? Oh, same Chris. Any more baseball? We will do baseball. I wasn't going to do one for here for another couple hours. Baseball's been a little slow. I don't have a ton of product on hand for the weekend, so mixing in some basketball as well. Alright, mini box 1 of Topps Museum. Seemed like a big metal card in there. I don't remember seeing that in the Museum Collection. David Wright is first for the Mets. He's going to Justin Jenkins. Second base card is Aledmys Diaz for the Cardinals. Never know how to say his name. That one headed to Jason Willison. This Lou Gehrig for the Yankees. We go into Mike Self. And the first hit, it's a metal framed Andy Pettitte for the New York Yankees with a nice silver Sharpie autograph. 3 out of 5 on that one. That's a very pretty card. And for the Yankees, this one will be headed to Mike Self. It's a thick black metal edged card. It's heavy. Nice one. Last card out of this pack is Buster Posey Gold for the Giants. And that one's headed to Marvin Hudgens. Alright, pretty first hit. Let's go with mini box 2. This one much lighter. I feel like we've got a redemption coming. Alright, first card is the gold card, and it is Carlos Gonzalez for the Colorado Rockies. And that one will head to Colby Barnett. I don't know, they don't really have many numbered cards or base cards, so we'll go ahead and top load these gold ones, because why not? Josh will be here in a couple hours. We'll do another baseball. Johnny Bench for the Reds is out next. Going to Joshua Morris. I don't have a lot of baseball on hand. I was just discussing it because it hasn't been filling as well. So I'm football heavy right now. Tyler Glasnow, rookie for the Pirates. That one going to Sean Turtleman Shear. And the next one, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs, going to Todd Ashbaugh. Second autograph, I'm assuming a redemption. This one, archival autograph of Dexter Fowler from a Topps Museum collection. Dexter Fowler, I haven't seen his name in a while. I'm going to have to go peek at him. Yeah, I still saw him in a Rockies jersey, but in 2017 he started the year with the St. Louis Cardinals. So this hit going to Jason Willison. That's why I looked him up. I saw him in a Rockies uniform, but I thought he was gone from there. So I had to double check. Nice hit there, Jason. All right, mini box 3. Jason, 2 more relics now. Card number 1 is Don Mattingly for the Yankees. This one numbered out of 50. The red parallel. That one will go to Mike Self. Next one out is George Brett for the Kansas City Royals. That one going to Mike Self as well. And Mookie Betts, Boston Red Sox. That going to Jay Heupel. In the canvas collection for the New York Mets, David Wright. And that comes 1 per box and is headed to Justin Jenkins. Final hit out of this one is a beautiful card. That one a huge laundry patch. It is a 1 of 1 for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Garrett Cole. Look at that patch there. Huge 1 of 1 patch. A 1 of 1 down there in the bottom right. And that is a beauty. Momentous Material Laundry Tag Relic Garrett Cole, Pittsburgh Pirates. This one going to Sean Turtleman Shear. Nice hit, Sean. Turtlehead. Yeah. Sean does have some luck, man. That's a nice card. Really fat laundry tag. Seems like he averages multiple 1 of 1s per week. Like he averages pulling in just as many as I pull. And he gets to keep them. Of course he buys in a lot too. I mean, that ups the odds. It looks like the odds are in his favor as well. Chris Bryant is the next card. It is gold for the Chicago Cubs. Going to Todd Ashbaugh. Tried to trade for the Pirates, huh? Next one out for the Pirates, Andrew McCutchen. You say it's about Sean, but he's skunked many of times. I know it because he sometimes gets bad reception and asks me if he hit. I've had to give him bad news multiple times lately. Chipper Jones for the Braves. That one headed to Sean Walsh. And for the Indians, Corey Kluber, headed to Jason Willison. And the last card out of this break, that's pretty also. Jose Altuve for the Houston Astros with a 3-color patch and 3 other relics. Game used memorabilia, 33 out of 75 primary pieces quad relic. And I don't know the right size top loader for that card. Some nice relics in that. We didn't get to see the Dexter Fowler. The autograph was pretty, out of 5. Laundry tag 101, and the Jose Altuve quad relic for the Astros going to Mike Self. Mike with a good break. Alright, that was it. The Hits and Rewind Jose Altuve quad relic out of 75. Laundry tag 1 of 1. Garrett Cole, Pirates. Beautiful card. Dexter Fowler archival autograph redemption for the Cardinals, and Andy Pettitte, or as my wife would say, Andy Petitti. Number 3 out of 5 with the on-card silver autograph metal card, really thick and heavy. Pretty good break from these in. I've seen some not so exciting boxes, so it's pretty cool in there. Alright, we'll get these sorted into your stacks. And more baseball coming up here after a while. I'm going to get a basketball breakup and another football soon. So see you later, or see you sometime.